Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix HTTP/3 not working in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If certain websites are failing to load, showing connection errors, or behaving inconsistently, the HTTP/3 protocol might be the cause. HTTP/3 is designed to make browsing faster and more reliable, but sometimes network setups, firewalls, or browser settings can interfere with it. Let's fix it. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the address bar and type chrome://flags, then press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. At the top, use the search box and type HTTP/3. Look for a flag called experimental quick protocol or anything mentioning HTTP/3. HTTP/3 works over quick, so this setting controls its behavior. If it's set to default or enabled, change it to disabled to troubleshoot connection issues. After changing the setting, click the relaunch button at the bottom of the browser. Chrome will restart and apply the change. Now try visiting the website that was not working. If HTTP/3 compatibility was the issue, the site should now load properly using HTTP/2 instead. If disabling doesn't help, try the opposite. Go back to chrome://flags, set the quick or HTTP/3 option to enabled, and relaunch again. Some networks work better with it turned on. Next, check your firewall or antivirus software. HTTP/3 uses UDP instead of the traditional TCP protocol. Some firewalls block UDP traffic, which prevents HTTP/3 from working. Allow Chrome through your firewall or temporarily disable security software to test. Another important step is to clear Chrome's cache. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy, and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Old network data can cause protocol conflicts. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install any available updates. New versions improve HTTP/3 support and stability. If nothing works, reset Chrome flags completely. Go to chrome://flags and click Reset All at the top, then relaunch the browser. And that's how you fix Google Chrome HTTP/3 not working step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.